Hello, hopeful. So I have a Aldi and a small Walmart haul. Really, Aldi haul is little too, not the price, but it's little too. I had to pick up some last minute things and that I just wanted to add to the menu, and also want to make sure that everybody was covered. So let me share with you what I had to get, or what I felt like I had to get today. So over here is Walmart, and the main reason why I went to Walmart was because I have just about half of my Christmas decorations up, and my tree, most of the lights, like half of them was not even working. And I was like, really? So I went and got some lights before they were hard to find. These were $2, I want to say 38.48 cents, and then these were 2.08, the 50 lights. So I got these for, like, if I decide to use it in any swags or a small tree, which probably more so a swag. And I got 4 of the 100 mini lights. I think I only need 3 boxes, but just in case. I got some foam cups for, of course, Thanksgiving's gonna be tomorrow. And then I picked up this baster. I realized I didn't have one when I did that video, basic cooking essentials or something like that, and I needed one, so I should have picked it up the other day. It comes with a cleaner brush, and I thought that I'm frying the turkey and I'm putting the other turkey breast in the crock pot, so I really don't need it for the turkey, but for future purposes, and also, but I need it for my ham. Okay, so I did get the everyday plates because we're about to run low on those, but I have Thanksgiving plates. I did pick up some peppermint, the Brock's, because I was walking past it, and Cottrell just mentioned, "Ma, you gonna put candy canes on the tree?" And he's been saying that like forever. Not forever, but you know, since he was little. So I was like, so that's your thing. Jason and I was joking about how when he was little, and he would always ask for them, and it would get missing. The candy canes would get missing. We're like, is somebody eating the candy canes off the tree? And then after a while, it was hardly none on the tree, and we were like, yeah, definitely somebody's eating them. It was Cottrell. So anyway, I got some of the Lysol hydrogen peroxide multi-purpose cleaner. This was like $3 and some change. I like this. I like the smell of it. I saw they had the new coconut something that's like a 99% viruses it cleans. I can't think of the name of it, y'all. Starts with a S. It's a brand that Clorox has. But anyway, I got this. I was really looking for the Lysol kitchen cleaner, but I know they don't sell it everywhere. Anti-bac. I also picked up the sweet iced tea. Yeah, sweet iced tea to drink. And then also the Canada Dry ginger ale. Also the meatballs, Italian style. Oh, and speaking of that, y'all, because I keep thinking about this. Are you guys going to wash your turkey? I know we were always taught to wash turkey, wash chicken, but it's an article that came out recently about washing turkey, and I heard them talking about it on the radio on the light this morning, and I was like, I don't know. I know it's studies about it, but just let me know what you're going to do. Okay, guys. So the rest is Aldi, y'all. So I went in there. This was on my list. So every week, or I'll try to remember some of the finds that I'm looking for, or what I want to purchase. So these are the main 2 that I wanted to purchase, and I got these for Saya, and I thought these were so cute. I'm gonna open it up and see what the quality of the jeans are. You kind of, I think they have a little, yeah, little peel thing, but these, y'all, were yeah, you can feel it right there. What you want? You want something to eat? Okay, I'll get you something to eat. And then I meant to get him some chicken patties. He likes the little chicken patties, and I forgot at Walmart. And anyway, so you can feel it right here, and it feels really soft. So I thought this one was adorable. Let's see. That's better. I thought this one was really cute. Look like they're the very same jeans, but it's okay. But for $9.99, you can't beat it. Lately, I know I'm behind y'all on the hauls, and by the time you guys do see the ones, I'll probably put this one up first. Like, I got Josiah a winter coat from there. They still have them, so they may still have them in your store, because they still have them in mine. And stuff goes quickly usually in my store, because there's a lot of people in the area, and it's not like a one that's really close by. But anyway, They had a winter coat. They had like this Sherpa jacket. They've been having a lot of cute stuff for the kids. Slippers, little, let's see, mittens, hats, gloves. And anyway, so this is the first time that I noticed that they had the little holiday or clothing sets. Of course, they had them for adults, but this is the first time I noticed it. So this one has a little polar bear. I was skeptical about getting this one, but I was like, hope for pants and a shirt for $9.99. That's a good price. So at this point, what my mom normally does is what she did when we was growing up is that she said it went under the tree. So when it started getting close to Christmas, it wasn't no wearing stuff or putting on stuff or getting stuff unless you absolutely had to have it. It went under the tree. So anyway, I thought these were adorable. They had 3 different styles. These were $12.99. And this was something else. I was trying to just get one, but I had to get 2. And by the time you guys see this haul, they also had like some women boots. They may be gone, but they still may be at your store that I picked up. And they were so comfortable. I wore them to my class reunion, and they felt really good on my feet. So I also got these. Aren't they so cute, y'all? They're so cute. If I had a girl, I would be in so much trouble. That's what my aunties and everybody, my mama would say. If you had a girl, she gonna be in trouble. Sure enough. Okay. And sorry about my nails, y'all. I've been washing dishes, getting ready to start cooking. It's 11:26. Well, I started cooking yesterday. So I also didn't get the gift bags. They had like 10 gift bags for $4.99, which is a great price. I may get them when I go back. They also have bows. They have tags and stuff, but I had plenty of tags from years before. Josiah, leave my fireplace alone. Sorry, y'all. The multi-size gift boxes, you get 10 of them, which I thought was a really good price. And you get these for $2.99, y'all, for $3. So you can't beat that. I probably should have got one more, maybe when I go back. I got some Hawaiian rolls. I got them 3 pepperonis. The Hawaiian rolls are $1.49, I believe. Maybe a little bit cheaper. The pizzas are $2.19. And they're going to eat this or whatever else sandwiches they find in there. I decided to do some green beans because I looked at my old video and I did that before. But I used frozen last year. So this year I will use these because I like these. And these were like $1.49. I did get some sweet corn because Saya likes corn and corn is easy. So Jason makes a joke about if you're asked to bring the corn or you're asked to bring a dish and you can't really cook, then you need to bring the corn. He's talking about, you can't mess up corn. You can, but he was like, yeah, that's what you do. He's just silly. Okay, so I did need some more butter. Well, I got some just in case. I may not need butter because I made 2 cakes last night and the whole thing of butter is gone. Then, let's see. Onion soup mix, and I put this with the string beans and then also the bacon pieces. So that's something, and some garlic, and that's it, some minced garlic. So that was really easy. That's why I went ahead and picked that up. I also picked up the baking non-cook spray. I used this last night and I liked it, and I know this is a seasonal item. They don't always have it. It's $1.49, and I got some barbecue sauce for the meatballs. I forgot to get the meatballs in Aldi, but I think I normally get my meatballs from Walmart though. Just because the cane sugar was $1.57. I don't know why it's so high, and I ran out last night and I had to use half of artificial sweetener, the stevia. So I'm hoping, y'all, crossing my fingers, that it's good. Okay, then on the floor, y'all, my whole house is going to be like totally red truck. Not on purpose, just love it. I'm be in trouble when it goes out of style. But anyway, I did get the pillow. They did have another buffalo check pillow that says Merry Holidays or Happy Holidays or Merry Christmas or something. And I think, I don't know, y'all. But I got this one. I thought it was a great price, $6.99. I'm done with pillows. I did find a little African-American Santa Claus. It kept going in stock and out of stock with Target. They even refunded and canceled my order the first time. But this time I made sure I checked out really quickly and I got it. It shipped today. So this accent rug I probably put in the kitchen. This one was $6.99 as well, and it's really soft and comfortable. Really soft. But it's not like here's the backing. you can wash it. Something on the floor. But guys, that is all that I picked up. I'm done with Thanksgiving. I'm getting ready to cook this food. I'm not gonna do a cook with me, but I'll do what we're having for Thanksgiving. And that is all. So I hope you guys have a great and happy Thanksgiving. I'm gonna try to put this up soon, and be safe. And I hope you get everything that you want with Black Friday. I don't know if I'm going Black Friday shopping. I think I'm gonna change my mind this year. But have a good one. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Bye bye.